Hi guys, welcome back to TechTimeWithT. Today we actually have a 2011 Volkswagen Jetta. We are cleaning the throttle body, and we actually have a special guest too. So let's rock and roll. Let's do it. So what you want to do first is press the clip and then just pull up the wire harness. That's the first thing you want to do. Just like that. So the next one you want to do is just like remove the clamp. So you put it over here, and then the clamp the air filter. So just take this here, put it over there. Yeah. Put the whole thing over there. Right. Squeeze it hard.
It is hard.
Okay. Probably want to squeeze some more of those, right? Okay, that's fine. Out. Out completely. Yeah, that's fine. There you go.
There you go.
There you go. That's all you need. Second clamp you want to do is remove the small clamp here to there you go, let it go, and then just move this out from there. Just like wiggle it. There you go. Come in?
Nope.
Go. It's easy, right? Alright, the next one is you do this one. Yeah, keep going. That's fine. Doing good. Same way. Turn it better. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing. Wiggle a little bit. Wiggle a little bit, that's all. And then just take it out.
Yeah.
Like, there you go, just like that. There you go. There's oil in here. Alright, that's it. Next one. Alright, next time you want to do is just remove the clamp. Basically remove the hose, but there's a clamp there. And just it's attached to the throttle body itself, so just move that. There you go. And then there's a small hose right there. Just take out the from the clamp right there, and that's it. So that way you have clearance to gain access to the 4 bolt holding the throttle body. It's right there. You can see. Yeah, I think we need to be cleaning. I can see it's oily here. See. Hopefully fix the issues. But oily, not. I don't think it's supposed to be there at all. Alright, next time what you do is, as you can see, you have clearance right there, and this is the throttle body. And the throttle body actually hold by 4 screws, which is a star-shaped screw. So basically, you need a set of star-shaped screwdriver. Alright, so basically, one here, 2, 3, and 2 on the bottom and 2 on the top. So that's what we're removing. So, and that's it. Then once the 4 screw comes off, the throttle body should be out. All right, let's rock and roll. All right, basically just remove the bolt. That will like a screw. Yeah, do all 4. You got all 4. I really hate the star-shaped screws. That's pretty long, huh? Yeah, I'm going slow, but you don't want to strip the bolt either. Yeah, once you take out the 4 bolt screw, just take out the throttle body just like that. Take it out all the way. There you go. That's it. So basically, like a little tight here. Just want to just remove this hose from the mount, just like that, so that way you get more space. This one too. There you go, just like that. Now you got easier to maneuver the throttle body out. Okay. So basically you want to do next is you can see you can move it around already. So there's 2 more hoses right here you want to take out. There's this clamp, just take it out. So let me do that real quick. So here's a clamp. So just squeeze it like that and move it over. Let it go and just take that out. If you want, there's a flathead a little bit, just try to squeeze it out. It's tough to take it out because it's been there for a long time. First time we remove it. Okay, once you remove the clamp over, just make sure like probably the best stud, like a stud here. So just remove the hose, just like that, pop it out. Okay, and then go to the next one. You can see that's what we meant by a stud right here, this thing. So it's the same one on the bottom, so probably the same. So just take clamp, move it over, let it go. So like I see the hose like so tight over here, so I kind of use the flathead a little bit, so just make some gap, so, because like the hose like is like really tight. You can see right here. That's what I did. So just try to squeeze it out with the flathead. Some space there, and then try to pull it off. There you go, just like that. So let's do the wire harness so it's easier for us to take out the hose. Like that, just there's a clip and then just pull out. All right, so basically what you do is just clean the throttle body. Make sure you don't use nothing else except throttle body and air intake cleaner. Specifically it's for the throttle body, so you don't use anything else, please. You can damage the throttle body. Okay, so it's throttle body and air intake cleaner. All right, let's do it. And we just what you do is just clean the inside of the throttle body, the front and the back, okay, both sides, and just clean some of these here, get some debris out. Okay, but the main point is make sure you clean the inside of the throttle body nice and clean, so that way the flap go back and forth easy. Okay, so it's supposed to be it's covered, like closed. The through should be closed, but I can see right now there's some of it's a gap open. Probably a debris in it, that's why the flap is not closing completely. There's a groove also inside the throttle body. You can see, I'm not sure you can see it, I'll show you this. That's where the flap closed, so there's no gap where the groove is. So, but right now there is there's a gap there, so we want to make sure we clean out the throttle body, the tubing part of it, like the whole thing, and make sure there's no debris in it. So that's what we're doing. Okay. Or you want to spray it inside a little bit. Away from you, please. You don't want to breathe either too much of this chemical. Okay. Then you do a quick wipe on it. Basically, you're cleaning the thing. Wipe. Okay. Do the inside first, and then you go flip over. Spray. Inside, and you want to wipe it. Nice and clean. Take out the debris and dirt. Okay, inside. You try to clean as best you can, like, especially inside, so I can see the flap open and close just like that. See, like you want to open it like that and then clean the inside also, like the wall of the throttle body. Okay, so make sure if like the residue or comes out. So that's what it looks like. Yeah, just clean with a throttle body cleaner. Just get the inside. Also push the flap like to the center, and then you want to do the clean the surface of the flap as well. All right. And also once you do one side, go to the back side, well, the front or the back, it doesn't matter what you want to tell. So anyway, so basically the same thing. flap in the middle. Just clean the outside wall, the inside wall, and then the flap itself. Okay, just what we're doing. We clean it as much as we can. Now let's put it back. All right. Before we put the throttle body back in, you want to clean the hose a little bit, like where the hose goes. Nice and clean, you know. There you go. Take that off before you put the hose back in. Also, as soon as possible. Like that. All right, and then also clean where the gasket is in the throttle body. Go. As you can see, it's very dirty. Some oil in there too, so nice and clean. Try to do that real quick. That's where the throttle body sit. So we want to make sure nice and clean. Don't want to be dirt or anything like that. Okay. Alright, yeah, basically you want to do put the hose in first, the small hose. Just put it in and then put both hoses in, and then move the clamp in afterward. There you go. These two hoses go toward the back, so you want to do that first. Yeah, well, I would put the hose, the bottom, like the bottom hose first. Leave this in the left side. Should be some imprint, and just let it go once you see it. There you go. We're good. And put in the second hose. Get it very tight, and then just move the thing in, the clamp. I got an easy job today. I'm just like supervising right now, and it's narrating. My special guest can do the job, you know. Yeah. There you go. I put it in like the same imprint, the shape of it, and just let it go. Boom. That's it. Should be tight. Alright, even though you align these 4 holes for the screws, but there's also a couple more holes for the clips here. You can see there's one on the top and one on the bottom. You gotta make sure those goes in also, and then align the hole of the 4 screws. Okay. Align the hole and align the 2. Rubber stud. Okay, and then just put the screws in right there. That's in, and then make sure it's nice and tight and stuff. You can put the screws in, like the 4 screws, by your hand first, and then you tighten after. But make sure everything's aligned. And go ahead. I'm just a helper today, okay? So you can do all the job right now. Good experience for you anyway. Make sure it goes in. Holes. Okay. Alright, now we're doing the bottom screw. I can see it's still loose on the top. We don't want to tighten it yet because we want to make sure we can able to adjust. So align for all 4 screws. Okay. You can tighten that one, and then you can do like a opposite side of the screw. Just tighten it so it's balanced. Tight.
All the way.
Okay, the bottom one. pulling it together, nice and tight. You don't want any gap or anything. So now tighten it up. All right, let me tighten the throttle body back in. That's 4 bolts and align the stud, and just put the hose back on. Let's get it out of the way, you know. There, and this one down here, just like that. It look good. Let's do the next step. All right, next step you want to do is just put the throttle body wire harness back on. Just like that. You hear the snap, and that's in. Okay. So basically, what you do next is see this here go connect to the throttle body, and then there's 2 hoses, like small hose through here, and then there's another one here, just like this, like that. But I wanna my special guest do himself, so I just want to explain it to him first before he actually do it. Okay, so basically, let's go here. Let's go to the throttle body. Here, this end is air intake, and this one here is 1 hose, 2 hose, and you're good. And you put the clamp back on, you are good to go. Okay, that's how we do it. Yeah. There you go. That's in, and then do a small hose right there. Yeah. Put this one first. Yes. Yep. Go ahead. Go, right in. Okay, make sure the twist goes in first. Okay, it won't go in because they need the clamp. I mean, a big one now. Okay, now there you go. Maneuver right in there. Do it again. Want to make sure it's nice and snug. Okay. In. Okay, there you go, perfect. Got push right in, snug, and let that go, and you're good on that one. There you go, perfect. Yeah, adjust it, no problem at all. Nice and straight, there you go. Okay, let's go down first. Make sure it's nice and snug. Yep. There you go, go ahead. Come in. Boom. There we go. Perfect. And then next one. Yeah, but just make it bigger. Okay, good. Take it. Now move it over. Nice and snug. There we go. Again. Okay. Perfect. Okay, that's in. Okay, the last thing you do is just put the wire harness back on. Right there. There you go. Just hear the snap, and that's in. You can see it's running tight. Then you put the hose back in right here. With the clamp. Like that. Okay, that's it. That's all we need to do, and that is how you change the actually not change the cleaning and throttle body, or you can change the same process. Just grab a brand new one and slap it on. Okay. All right, guys. That is how you change the actually not change. It's cleaning the throttle body. It's basically preventative maintenance. So we just take it out, basic, easy. You can see it. Some clamps, screws, 4 screws, take out, and then you take it out and clean it, and then slap it back on. That's all it is when you clean the throttle body. So yeah, that's thank you for watching Tech Time with T. That's how you do it. It's preventive maintenance, so it's basic and easy. Just step by step. Check out my video, and thank you for watching, and you take care. Thank you.